So we're headed to a kayak tour on Lake Powell, and this takes you to Antelope Canyon, and we will be treading through some knee-deep mud and things to get to the canyon. So should be interesting.
And then we're on. I'm also going to take photos today. So I send everybody, I get some cool shots of everything, and I'll get us in action, and then I'll send everybody an email in a couple days. So just know that I'm getting photos of you. Some parts we want to make sure we can get back there and hike. So you know,
Going down to the lake. The lake is a little low. So it's like a pretty low. So we got to go down here to the water. All right, we are actually in the kayak, watching everybody else load up. We got some guides here. We'll give you details on this amazing expedition at the end of the video. Okay. Looks cool. Water used to be all the way up this wall. So all these canyons were under the water recently. It's just recent. Hopefully they have a good winter and it'll fill back up. But it does make for a cool kayak trip. We should be getting to Antelope Canyon pretty soon. This is definitely a workout, but not bad. Just kind of go at your own pace. So you can actually take boats too to go to this. I think this is more fun. Right, 2.5 miles and we have reached the point in Antelope Canyon where we get off. Looks like. Pretty cool. Lots of kayaks here. Well, the mud here sinks in about knee deep, and I'm going to show you what happens if you fall. It smells as bad as it looks. It's so bad.
I would take, you know, leave your life vest, take your phone.
I smell so bad.
And then if you would like, I have the kayaks here.
So we're hiking to Antelope Canyon here. If you smell something really bad, it's me. I fell back there.
Past the ladder. I just want to take that to this one spot up there. Get a couple photos and I'll send you in.
So this is Antelope Canyon. We're going in.
But yeah, these people are right in front of us. Yeah.
Alma managed to stay clean for the most part.
This was all level. You can see all this touch the floor.
Well, at least it's your swim trunks.
I'm about to throw these swim trunks away. They're so bad.
We form it, and then it petrifies so fast, and they can glaze it as well with a little bit of fire.
Datura night bloom flowers.
So that's a very
Is that a fruit inside there?
I don't know. It looks spiky.
very strong, not a happy psychedelic. They can handle the water. The roots are so strong, and they bloom at night, so you can see, where the canyon goes. Even at nighttime, it'll have these white flowers just going around. So it's almost like little floor lights in the darkness. And look at these, where the flowers will pop out of these crazy balls and seeds.
Okay. Crazy cool view of the canyon. This is definitely very Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade feeling. If you're into geology, you could probably have a pretty good time out here. Pretty amazing. The walls are very smooth. Almost like a light sandpaper. The flies are starting to land on me because I smell like poo. I have a limited time trying to get to the ladder.
Isn't this the ladder?
No, the ladder's an actual ladder.
An actual ladder?
Yeah. Oh, here's the ladder. Never mind. Here it is.
Would you like me to take a picture?
Like a
An actual like rock ladder, right?
No, it's a ladder.
rope ladder.
Can I take a picture of you in the ladder?
We got there.
11 minutes. We made it to the ladder, which is a mile, he said.
That's what he said. The ladder was a mile away.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Well, when the timer was off, we can go back. That's 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Very cool. ladder here going down. We're headed back out. To the kayaks, and hopefully I can rinse off this really bad smelling mess.
You just had we would have to hike from. You know, you get stuff washed out all the time.
You all have warning? What kind of warning do you have for a flash flood?
None.
None?
None. The flash floods we know are coming, but we gotta leave there to get here before they hit. We warn everybody.
So this is a big waterfall coming from the runoff from the city of Page.
This whole thing gets
That's why it's black. The
and this
iron.
cut out.
So there's
Do it. Just do it.
Really cool.
Go before everybody else comes in. Just sit on the rocks over here.
Look at all that dirt coming off.
Lower. You gotta go all the way to your waist. You have it all right here, Kate.
Well, we did the 5 miles to Antelope Canyon on the kayak and survived. We highly recommend this tour. We'll put the link and information below. It's definitely life-changing. We did a good job, and we're pretty happy with our
And our tour guide Mike was amazing.
Mike was amazing, and the company that took care of you. And thanks for watching.